Hi guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the illustration scene effect on Higgsfield AI. So this is what the illustration scene effect looks like. You know, it transforms the cinematic video to a cartoonish like character, artistic and stylized. So this is how to do it. So the first thing you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, then sign in, click on or sign up if you do not have an account. Click on the visual effects section, scroll down and choose the illustration scene here. While you're choosing this, you can also choose any other effect that speaks to you. You can just scroll through their catalog of VFX effects to see the one that interests you the most. So but once you've done that, you can just always click on the illustration scene. So on the illustration scene you see various effects, various video samples using the effects. You can choose any of them that speaks to you or that you want to recreate. Then you can now click on generate. So after clicking on generate, you will be brought to a page where you get to upload your image, and this is the area where you get to upload your image. After uploading it, you can input your prompt in this area here, then choose the model you want to use for this particular effects. Now I advise you leave the model as it is. The reason being, most models that come with the effects are the best ones to see that effect come to reality. They are the best ones for that particular effects. However, if you choose to switch up, it's not entirely out of place, if especially if you are trying to conserve your credit usage. So once you switch it to a different one, preferably free, you can always generate it and then wait a few minutes to get your desired results. So after you might the video might have been rendered, you'll see it in this area, very similar to what I have downloaded, what I have rendered here. You would